Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video I'm going to be removing and replacing the lift glass struts on this 2012 Ford Escape. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. I'm going to open the lift glass. You're going to want to have a partner hold this for you so it doesn't fall on you. Then take a right angle pick. Just grab right there. And then I'm going to do the same on this side. Pull that out, just like that. With the new strut, I'm going to line this up down here, push it on, and line this top part up right here, lock it in place, and we'll do the same with the other side.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.